are you all? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, My Little World. I am back with another video, and if you guys like my video and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit that chotu sa bell icon so that you guys can update it with all my new videos. And let's not talk too much. So before starting my haul, I want to give a disclaimer, and that is I purchase my products from different sites according to my need and the offers going on, the sales going on there, and that's why I merge all of them together and making this haul video. So let me show you guys what all I got. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I have some new things with me. I tried some new apps or websites, and yes, I am pretty excited. So let's not waste the time. And okay, so first I am going to start my haul with a pretty known website or app, and that is Nykaa. So from Nykaa I purchased 4 to 5 products, and that are, the first product I have is this. It is Nykaa Prep and Primer face primer. It's just tone smoothing and perfect primer. So this is my first purchase, so I will use it and again I will do review. The next I have is this, and this is the Maybelline Superstay Compact foundation, Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I am in the shade, if I am not wrong, I am in the shade 334 Warm Sun. Okay, so this is the foundation. Next I have again another foundation, and this is this Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation, and I am the shade of True Toffee, shade number 12. Next up I have this. This is Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo, and my shade is shade number 1, Brazilian Bombshell. And let me open it for you guys. It's from inside, it is like that, this only, and if you are opening it, you will get a cover and this. So this is the blush, and let me show you the pigment. So this is the pigmentation, guys. I don't know camera is picking or not. So this is the pigmentation. So the last product from Nykaa is this, and this is a Maybelline Fit Me Medium Deep or Mayoni Ponce, shade number 30. This is a loose finishing powder. So this is the last product from Nykaa. So next product I brought from Flipkart. So first I brought this puffs, and I just fell in love with this packaging and color, and I purchased them. Maybe I'm gonna use them for baking or powdering. I still don't know, but okay, that is okay. I will use it. And next I brought this brush shade from Flipkart. It is a brand called Skin Plus or something. Yes, Skin Plus. So let me open it for you guys. Okay, so this is the brush shade, and I will do a detailed video on brushes for beginners, which will help you guys. So yeah, this is next I shop from Cuffs and Lashes. And the thing I am pretty excited is finally I got it. So the first thing I brought from Cuffs and Lashes is this. This is the 20 something beauty blender, and it came with this cute packaging, and this is the beauty blender. These are the pretty soft and squeezy, and whenever I will use it, I will definitely give my review. Like I will do a live makeup with this, not live, like I will shoot a video with this beauty blender. And next the most exciting thing is this. So any guesses what is this? Okay, so let me tell you, this is the 14 makeup brushes set. This is the new launch by Puffs and Lashes. So this is the full set, and here you will get make everything like basic brushes, everything from face brushes, eye brushes, everything. I will definitely do a detailed video with this. Okay, so I don't know that detailed video will come मतलब पहले और this shopping haul, I don't know, but I will definitely do a detailed video with this. So this is the thing I am excited for. So here you can see a logo of Puffs and Lashes and the signature of Nidhi Katiyar. So these brushes are totally made in India. So yeah, I was pretty excited for these brushes. Okay, so let me open you for this. So this is the box and we will get brushes. So here are the brushes, the 14 brushes. So I will do the review, not review, but I will talk detail about these brushes on my next video. So now it's time for the shopping app I am talking about, that I was talking like I was using them for the first time, and I'm gonna share my experience. Okay, so the shopping app I am talking about, that is Hoop makeup app, and my first experience was pretty good with them. And Hoop makeup app, if you don't know, then I know you guys all know, but if anyone don't know, that Hoop makeup app is a makeup website where you can purchase everything, and वहाँ पे you will get सेल, वहाँ पे एवरी टाइम सेल गोइंग ऑन, मतलब वहाँ पे सेल एवरी टाइम चलता रहता है. सो यू कैन गेट योर प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक फ्रॉम रिवोल्यूशन, मेकअप रिवोल्यूशन, देन निका के, वेट एंड वाइल्ड, LA Girl, everything you can buy from there. So yeah, first I am gonna share that what I got from there. The first thing I got from there is waterproof mascara from LA Colors, and the next two products are from Wet n Wild. So this is the single eyeshadows from Wet n Wild, and they are pretty pigmented. I already opened them. Let me show you. See the pigment, guys. Can you see the pigment? And this is, and another one I have this. Okay. So the last product I got from Hoop Makeup is the 3 palettes from Nika K. There is a sale going on, and you are getting 3 palettes of Nika K from on the price range of $9.99. Yes, I got them like 3 palettes on $9.99, and they are pretty colorful. And if you want to purchase single, then I guess one single palette is like 599 rupees. So yeah, it's a good deal. So let me show you one palette, the pigment of palette. I will give a swatch, but I will do a detailed review soon on this Nika K product. So yeah. So I have the Under the Sea, then I have Passion Apple, and the third I have Sugar Plum. So I am going to give you swatch of this palette. I will use it, and then I will give a detailed review, maybe how it work on eye. So I will soon do it. So let me check the pigment. Ooh, these are pretty pigmented. Wow, this color is pretty pigmented, and this one too. Okay, this is a pretty pigment palette, and little powdery too. Okay, So I don't know how it will work on eyes. I will soon try to work with this and will do a review or a makeup look with one of these palettes. So this is all for my today's video. I'm soon going to back with a new video. Till then, be happy, be healthy and keep smiling. And if you like my video, love me, then do subscribe my channel. Ta-da!